The IPL 2020 league stage is drawing to a close and the race for the top four is as intense as it could get. The last two league matches will decide who makes it to the top four with 3 available spots and 4 teams competing for it. Here are the various scenarios which could impact the final 4 positions of this season's IPL. If Delhi Capitals score 160 runs and win by 21 runs or lesser, or chase down 161 in 17.3 overs or more, Sunrisers Hyderabad beat Mumbai Indians. If this happens, Delhi Capitals will move to the second spot with 16 points and Royal Challengers Bangalore will drop down to the 4th spot, and SRH, if they win, they will be on the 3rd spot. KKR in this case would be eliminated. If Delhi Capitals score 160 and they win by at least 22 runs or chase 161 in 17.2 overs or lesser, and Sunrisers Hyderabad beat Mumbai Indians, Delhi Capitals will still end up on the 2nd spot. But the margin of the win will reduce the net run rate of Royal Challengers Bangalore and KKR will thus take the 4th spot, and this will lead to the elimination of Royal Challengers Bangalore from the race. If Royal Challengers Bangalore score 160 runs and win by 18 runs or lesser, or chase 161 runs in 18 overs, and Sunrisers Hyderabad beat Mumbai Indians, Royal Challengers Bangalore will then move on to the 2nd spot. If the margin is small, Delhi Capitals will stay ahead of Kolkata Knight Riders in the net run rate and will be the 4th team if Sunrisers beat Mumbai Indians, and this will again lead to the knocking out of Kolkata Knight Riders. If Royal Challengers Bangalore score 160 runs and win by at least 19 runs, or chase down 161 runs in 17.5 overs, and Sunrisers Hyderabad beat Mumbai Indians, if Royal Challengers win the game by a margin stated earlier, Delhi Capitals' net run rate will fall below the net run rate of Kolkata Knight Riders and will thus eliminate Delhi Capitals from the race and give the 4th spot to Kolkata Knight Riders if Sunrisers Hyderabad win against Mumbai Indians. If Delhi Capitals beat Royal Challengers Bangalore, and if Mumbai Indians beat Sunrisers Hyderabad, if the above stated happens, both Royal Challengers Bangalore and Kolkata Knight Riders will qualify for the playoffs and Sunrisers Hyderabad will be eliminated from the race. Royal Challengers Bangalore beat Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians beat Sunrisers Hyderabad. If RCB beat Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians beat Sunrisers Hyderabad, RCB will move to the 2nd spot of the table and Kolkata Knight Riders and Delhi Capitals will occupy the 3rd and 4th position on the table. This will lead to the elimination of Sunrisers Hyderabad. These were the 6 scenarios which could shape how the teams would stand in the playoffs. Which scenario do you think will happen and who do you think should be the final 4 that would play the playoffs? Let us know down below.